This is when you play Limp Grimace.
We're looking at the Dodge Challenger tonight.
Hey.
On Price is Wrong. This is the first car. Netgear's gonna take the first bid on this one. 2013 Dodge Challenger RT Coupe, 16 weeks ago, Ashland, Virginia, 97,000 miles, automatic transmission, 5.7 liter V8. Hemi. Only parts, 97K miles. Ask for any part.
I'm gonna say
Get back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 from Netgear. Puchii, what's your bid?
What year is it?
This is a 2013.
Then I'll bid 2013 because I bet it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
2013.
0.
Vukos.
3.
Your bid on this beautiful camouflage, urban camo.
He wants
Challenger.
$3,000.
$3,000. And Atlas.
I'll take $1, Bob.
One
Yeah, easy dollar.
easy dollar for Atlas. And the asking price on this 2013 Dodge Challenger RT parts car was 1, 2, 3. This one goes to Atlas.
Oh.
Hell
Oh, wow. Yeah, change up there.
Didn't meme hard enough.
Didn't mean
What
hard
Atlas
enough.
bid?
$1.
Bit a buck.
Damn.
The dollar got it.
Atlas got that in him.
Speaking of Puchii, here's round 2. It's a 2009 Dodge Challenger RT Coupe. 1 day ago in Middleburg, Pennsylvania, 149,000 miles, 2009 Dodge Challenger, low idle hours, inspected. Runs and drives good, needs cosmetics mainly. Only other issues are left wheel speed sensor and oil pressure switch throwing codes for both. Asking, god damn it, god damn it.
God.
We're gonna skip that one.
He fucked up.
God damn.
No!
It's over for 2.
Common feed L.
God
Yeah, what's a
damn
speed?
it.
What's a wheel speed sensor?
It's just
goes.
it's exactly
Speed
what it
sensor.
says.
Anyway,
Yeah,
that one was
why?
$6,500. We'll move
It's
on.
for ABS.
Come on, man.
Oh,
You let Netgear have that one when you fucked up, but anyway.
I'm giving this one to Neck if you don't stop bitching. Here is your next car. 2013 Dodge Challenger RT Plus Coupe. 2-door. 2 weeks ago in Atlanta, Georgia.
Jesus.
Right down the street.
Joker car?
Joker camo.
No, this is Harlequin cum camo.
That's even better.
85,000 miles, cash only, clean Georgia title, very fast, has new cam. And Puchii. The last one was $6,500. So what's your bid on this beautiful 2013 Dodge Challenger RT Plus Coupe?
This the Joker Splooge edition.
The Kindergarten Arts and Crafts edition.
Dude, that is horrible.
It's something.
Oh boy.
Autism speaks camo.
Yeah, you got puzzle pieces for that.
Dreadnought.
I'm gonna
this is
do-
what it looks like after Grimace from McDonald's busts a nut.
No, this is when you play Limp Grimace.
All right, very good.
I'm gonna do 11,111.
11,000 from Puchii.
11,111.
11,111 from Puchii. All one.
Yes. All ones. Because this car is number 1.
Fair, fair. And it's in the #1 town, Atlanta, Georgia.
Absolutely. ATL. We
Hot
clowning.
Atlanta, as they call it down there.
When you said #1 town, I looked and I was expecting Cumming, Georgia, but no. It's Atlanta.
That's number 3 town.
I was just patronizing the boy. Vukos.
I know.
What's
I know
your
you
bid?
were. It's okay.
I'm waiting for Race Bandit to get online.
You can't cheat and ask
can't
Grace Bandit how much these are.
up,
Yo.
nerds.
Go back to that front picture. And
Yeah.
when you see it, you'll shit bricks.
Which specifically? This thing?
Well, yeah,
This thing, yeah.
What is that?
What is that? Yeah.
It looks.
tinfoil,
No, it looks like they just went to Home Depot and said, "Give me that," and spray paint it purple.
some corrugated roofing.
It's just a
Yeah.
chunk off somewhere else on the car, I think.
It looks like the shit, like when a cardboard material wants to be like a reinforcement, you know?
Yeah, it's
and it makes that
corrugated cardboard.
honeycomb
Yeah.
pattern.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's like IKEA cardboard table.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, there is an IKEA in
Anyway.
Atlanta. There you go.
Vukos, what's it going to
Mystery
be?
solved.
So it's running, driving, clean title.
Yep.
RT.
And beautiful paint job.
Are we really gonna jump up like several G's from 1, 2, 3?
Well, we're at
Yeah.
the last
No, the
one was
last one would have been
6,500.
65.
Oh,
No, it
okay.
was-
Oh yeah. I
Oh,
forgot
yeah.
that was a dud. I was like, it was $123.
But it was a hint.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a hint. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
$13,000.
$13,000.
Oh wait, fuck! I just missed what Race Bandit said. God damn
Oh,
it!
too late.
You can't listen to him.
Ah,
Also, there's no way it's 6 because that doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
doesn't
he's
make
right.
sense.
He's right.
no, yeah. Go
Alice,
with Race
what's it gonna
Bandit.
be?
Oh, it's running, driving, and decent miles. That's
I'll
a
do-
shit ass paint job.
I'll do boob 80808.
8008 from Atlas and Netgear, your bid on this Challenger.
It's interesting that they put a Dodge Magnum hood scoop on the rear window.
Callback. A little callback.
But I'm going to say 9.5, 9.5K.
9,500. And the actual retail price of this Dodge Challenger was $12,000. So this one actually fucking goes to all right.
I went over slightly.
Puchii, and the value of that one is 12,000. All right, so you get a point every time that you win a round, and then if we have a tie at the end, we'll go off of your dollar amount won to determine who gets to go in the Showcase Showdown.
Oh, shit.
But we have 2 more rounds left. Up next, it's a 2013 Dodge Challenger RT Classic Coupe 2-door in Louisville, Kentucky, 125,000 miles. Mustang for sale or trade, sell or trade for a Mustang.
What the fuck?
No,
Heresy.
He's saying I'll sell or
It's just
for
saying
sale
sell
or
or trade for a
Mustang.
Mustang.
Yeah.
Sell or trade for a Mustang. It's factory fresh. And
Still
how much
got
do you
that
think this
yellow
beast
shit on the
is?
corners and everything, man.
Yeah.
Got the bumper guards, the cringe guards.
Boomer guards.
Bordering on another Joker car, but not
got
quite.
Got that rental car interior.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of clean.
Vukos, what do you think?
I'm stalling for time. 13,501.
13
is what I think.
501.
Yeah.
All right. Atlas, your bid, please.
2013,
125,000 miles, factory fresh, Dodge Challenger, barely molested.
Factory fresh.
Sure, you can buy this trim today.
Vukos said 13,501.
He did.
I'm gonna go 15.
15.
Probably high.
Netgear, your bid.
Let's say 14.5.
14.5.
This could really be worth anything.
Yeah.
All right, so the
In
bids
that
are
range.
13,501, 14.5, 15,000. The floor is 12,000. And Puchii, your bid on this sick ass car.
I'm gonna say 14,123.
14,123. All right, and the actual retail price of this 2013 Dodge Challenger RT Classic Coupe is 13,500.
Damn.
You're all over. No
Oh,
one
God
wins.
damn it.
Round
Damn,
I went
and
over
you know,
by a dollar.
I thought about like bidding 13.5 off of that 13,501 because I was like, what a stupid bid.
Oh, you know what? I was thinking a dollar, but Feed said the floor was 12, and I didn't realize that how much the last one was. Instead, yep. Dang it.
A poor
Oh,
play
well.
by Puchii. And next
Yep.
round, we have a 2013 Dodge Challenger RT Coupe 1 day ago in
Oh,
Dallas, Texas,
shit.
130,000 miles.
Got the starry sky.
2013 Dodge Challenger 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, looking to either trade or sell. Brand new set of tires, brand new battery, 5% temp, custom Rolls Royce starlights, custom black rims, custom ducktail, rear diffuser removable. Feel free to ask questions. Price is negotiable. And what do you think about whatever the
What's
fuck's
the
going on
fucking
here?
chair for?
That's the it's
that's-
to beat off, you know.
I was gonna say it's the cock chair. It's the cock chair.
What's with the gallon of whatever?
That's for the cum.
This is
It's-
great.
Oh, word. Okay. What's this guy doing?
I'm gonna go. Shit. I'm gonna go 15.
Sucker, dude.
$15,000 from
15.
Atlas.
That just feels way too high. God.
Remember, the floor is 13.5.
And he's got custom Rolls Royce starlights, so you know that's worth
Yeah.
something.
Netgear, your bid. 2013 Dodge Challenger RT Coupe with custom starlights, Rolls
Look at
Royce.
that. Whole
Rolly.
fucking galaxy.
Let's do 14.
We're doing 14 from Netgear. Puchii, your bid. Cuck Share Challenger. 5%
Chair
tint.
Challenger.
Vietnamese ducktail. I think it's duck, but I'm not sure how they pronounce it, but you know what I mean.
Shit. I'll say 15.
That's what I said.
That is Atlas's bid.
Oh shit. Then
That's what I said.
14 and a dollar.
14 and $1. Fucking over Netgear.
Wouldn't be the
Vukos.
first time. Dicks.
Vukos, you know what to do.
Yeah, but I don't like doing that.
Yeah, but you could win.
Yeah, but I'm not going to.
Oh, come on.
I'm thinking it's higher than all these guys.
Yeah, it might
Because
be
of
like,
this-
like
why
14,002-ish.
That's why Vukos has a cuck chair.
Yeah, this is you right now.
Just assert dominance. Do 13,999.
15.5.
What?
What's he doing?
What's he doing?
$15,500 from Vukos. Actual retail price on this 2013 Dodge Challenger RT is 14,000 on the nose. Goes to Netgear.
All
right. So, due to unforeseen circumstances, we have a three-way tie between Netgear, Puchii, and Atlas. But the two with the highest prize value today. Well, I'll just tell you, in third place we have Atlas.
Atlas is out. He got 1, 2, 3.
He's got 123
Yeah,
bucks. Puchii is in second place with 12,000, and Netgear is in first place with 14,000. So you're both going on to the Showcase Showdown, which starts right now. And since, let's see, Netgear was our top dollar winner, he gets to go first, and he will get to choose whether he will take the first car or pass it to Puchii. And here's the first Showcase Showdown vehicle.
Oh boy.
Oh, Hellrambe?
Hellrambe.
2012 Dodge Challenger RT Coupe, 2-door, 6 days ago in Memphis, Tennessee, 62,000 miles. 2012 Challenger, 64,000 miles, and I have 18. And have 18. Look and car runs good, and Army matte green and wrap in black. Very good car on 24 rims or original 20 rims.
The car
Don't
wraps?
get both.
It's Army matte green and wrap in black.
Yeah, it's the front man for a group called Gorillas. You may have heard of them.
No British man would step anywhere near this car.
No.
They call me Red Man on stage / gorilla.
Well, this goes hard as fuck.
So this does go hard as fuck, and
Can I
Netgear,
see
would
this
you like
video?
to... No, because it's all screenshots. I know. Oh, wrong one. Oh, you making Harambe noises?
No, I'm just thinking.
What noise does a dead gorilla make?
We all just made it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's... Been listening for 6 days. It's 2012.
Memphis?
5.7, right? 5.7?
Yeah, I think. He says it's an RT. That's really all we have to go off of.
Let's call it 13.5.
And remember, the last one did go for $14,000.
Oh, damn
He's
it.
big, God damn it.
Yeah, I already said it.
All right, we'll put you down for 13.5.
You gotta let Puchii win, dude.
It's the $1 bid, effectively.
All right, so Puchii, you get to bid on this other 2012 sucker-free Dodge Challenger RT in Las Vegas, Nevada. Check it out. Trades welcome. That's the entire description. Well, let me let you check it out.
Sheesh.
God damn, is this from The Fast and the Furious?
The Fast and the Fuckas. Is that gold?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's gold leaf. I think he might have taken that heat wrap shit and put it on the wheels.
No way.
Kind of looks like it.
Jesus Christ.
I gotta see up close.
Because he has it in here, for sure. Right?
Oh.
Like, that's a strip
and on
of it
the
right there.
battery cover? Is that
No,
gold?
that's just dust.
Oh.
It's just overspray.
He's a monster.
Let me see those wheels again.
They're like
Nah,
Slisso
man,
3s.
it's a tiger.
They look ratty. I think you're right.
I think they're wrapped in gold, like duct tape. Or vinyl, perhaps.
The pumpkin car.
The work of art.
Yeah, obviously.
So have you found it on Facebook yet, Puchii?
Yeah, we need your bid, sir.
Got his ass.
Oh God. Is it higher than the one that Netgear would have been bidding on? Is that how this still works in the Showcase Showdown, or?
That is the case, yes.
Okay.
Yo, look at the dryer tube intake.
No, that's not even dryer tube. I think that's irrigation. It's a French drain, is what that is.
Sucker free.
God, I have no idea.
You're acting like a real sucker right now, and you should be sucker free.
Sucker free.
Sound like you're stalling.
All you have is check it out, trades welcome. That's it.
Yeah, and it's the most expensive car we looked at today.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
And the closest without going over wins the Showcase Showdown. So what's your bid gonna be, Puchii?
$15,000.
15,000 on the nose from Puchii. Netgear, you're up first. The asking price on that one was $15,000 for a difference of $1,500 off of the actual asking price. And Puchii, the sucker-free Dodge Challenger in Las Vegas, Nevada. You bid on that one $15,000.
Can I just win the last car, please?
And it is. We'll see. It is $17,500, a difference of $2,500. Netgear wins. The price is wrong.
No. Aw. GG's.
Okay, so AAR here. The Showcase should be completely independent of the price hierarchy of the game.
I agree.
I think that they should
That's
still be
jacked
more. I think they should be like way more.
So what's the
Yeah,
third
but they
one so we
shouldn't follow
can
each
can
other.
gamble on that one
Yeah,
as
they
well.
shouldn't follow each other. That's what I'm saying. They shouldn't.
Yeah.
They shouldn't follow. I'm saying we shouldn't follow the
Puchii
price
shouldn't be
hierarchy.
higher than Netgear's.
Yeah, but even still, Puchii couldn't get it.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that's still.
I couldn't
if
get it up
he was-
enough, guys.
If he
Like,
was
I
smart, He
tried.
could have.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
And also, I think that the next time I do a Showcase Showdown, it should be like one of the car that we were just looking at, and then like a barbecue grill or something instead.
Or dude, if you find the
A
6x6, you know,
Just like a post.
I tried, guys. I tried, but I just couldn't get it up enough to meet 17.5. Yeah. What's our third challenger?
Hims.com/feed.
use our coupon code FEED.
Use our coupon code
Generic
Netgear.
name Viagra.
Coupon code sucker free.
Puchii is
Sucker
old.
free.
Get them little blue pills for sucker-free experiences. No, what was the third one? Because was there not a third car? No, there wasn't. Yeah,
No,
my
it's
bad.
just the two in the
It's
showcase.
just the two. Okay.
Yeah. Now we just got this picture of Harambe and Netgear, I guess.
Go look at the next Bobby Sausage one.
Can I get some flaccid Puchiis in the chat?
Yes, let's get some. Yeah, that's what the F Puchii is for. Yeah,
All right, everybody, YouTube, screen cap this and make memes.
please.
Do not do that. My wife is already pissed.
Do it and post it on Instagram.
Is she really?
She heard him say "kill yourself" again. Keep
Oh
saying it.
man.
She found out I've been sending that screen cap of free rent.
Dicks.